What's up, guys? I'm at the crib getting ready to go to this party. We're gonna go, dude, I'm so excited about this because it's the first time I get on this party bus. Like, I always see it everywhere I go. Like, whenever I go to Medellin, Guatemala, I've seen it in many countries that I've been to, and I always wanted to jump in it. But this time, I was invited to one of my friends, actually. Her friend's birthday. I don't even know how to explain it. Somebody's birthday, and my friend invited me to this thing. So I'm gonna go have fun, and hope you guys enjoy it. I don't think it's gonna be like a lot of people on the bus because it's only the people that was invited. And honestly, I don't think there's gonna be a lot of chicks either. But as long as there's one that I like, I don't care. So you guys are gonna get to, experience what it looked like. I mean, or just see me experience it. And then you take it from there. If this is something that you want to get down with, maybe in the future you could do that with your friends, if you are in a group, or if you like go to one of these countries and they have those party buses, you could definitely do it. I'm gonna let you guys, I'll probably do a recap at the end, or maybe not, just to let you guys know, how a recap of how everything went. Also, guys, because some of you guys have been asking me like where I get my stuff, like the hat. This is my favorite hat. I love this freaking hat. I'm gonna put the link because I found them on Amazon, which is actually even better because this was a gift. But I found them on Amazon and they're actually cheaper, and you could get them like the next day. So I think it's even better. The yellow glasses that I'm always rocking, I found some in Amazon that look just like it too. I'm gonna leave the link. And then some of the other stuff that I wear that people be asking me for, I'm gonna put them on the link below on the description. So check that out if you need to. Also, I actually found this Bluetooth for your earphones. You know when you get on a plane and you don't have the connection, because the planes have the old school connection from like the old school like earphones. I found a Bluetooth that you connect to your earphone, to your headphones, and you could just rock them. I know this is like a game changer. When I found that, I was so happy. I'm gonna leave the link here just in case you guys need it. And all of you guys who was traveling just like I do. And sometimes you'll be on those long flights, man, and you don't have like headphones, nothing, and you can't even watch a movie. But I mean, I'm gonna leave you the link so you can get it. Yeah, man, that's it. I'm just trying to help out. Talk to you guys in the next one. Enjoy the video, man. It's gonna be hot. I hope you guys like it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good one. I'm excited about it because it's the first time. So, let me get dressed, man. All right, guys, it's your boy Harper here one more time from Panama City. Dude, I'm about to do something I always wanted to do. Always wanted to do this. Every time I go to Medellin, I want to jump in one of those buses. Every time I go anywhere where they have those party buses, I always wanted to do it, but I was like, man, I felt a little skeptical. So this time, a group of friends, well, actually, a friend of mine, invited me because one of her friend's birthday is happening today and they're gonna celebrate it on the bus. So, for the first time, I'm gonna show you my experience getting into the party bus. I honestly don't think it's gonna be like a lot of hot women, so don't expect to see a lot of good-looking shorties. I don't think it's gonna be bodies, but it's gonna be all about my experience. I think there's gonna be a couple of hot ones because I see one coming right now. So hopefully there's at least 3 or 4 that look like that. Look at here, look at here. What is this right here? So I don't know. Let's see what happens. Yes. And then look at the bus. That's the bus. Oh shit, I can't wait. Oh, there's another one coming back there? All right, so now I'm confused. I don't know if it's this one or that one. I think it's this one right here. So I don't know, let's see. So this is the crew right here, waiting for the rest of the people. I think there's like another 8 people coming, I think. So I don't know. Let me see, I want to see the I want to see what it looked like in here. The driver here. Oh, there's a DJ too. All right, all right. So this is I mean, I guess if you want to rent it, that's the information. I mean, you guys are gonna get to see more. So here's the crew.
Lluvia Negra presenta Doctor P. Es Alexano, man. Esto es vieja escuela. Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se ve tan diferente.
Papi, yo bebo leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se pone tan chula.
Papi, yo bebo leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se ve tan diferente.
Papi, yo bebo leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se pone tan chula.
Papi, yo bebo leche.
Ella me tiene cansado, me tiene un oído soldado. Me pide su leche pero no se le he comprado. No quiere arroz, víveres ni bacalao. Yo llego a mi casa, dice que si estoy en la cocina.
Papi, leche.
Abriendo la nevera.
Papi, leche.
Estoy en la sala.
Papi, leche.
En la ventana.
Papi, leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se ve tan diferente.
Papi, yo bebo leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se pone tan.
So she's trying to make me drink. No, I don't want to. She's trying to make me drink. But I don't want to drink. This is what the party's looking like.
Dos. Hey, sí, dos. Check, dos. Dos, sí, dos.
Espérate. Otra vez. Next. ¿Viste? Hi. ¿A que tú no le dale a ella? A mí sí. Yo no lo vi otra vez. Otro. Eso. Ahora tú a ella, porque ella no me da. Eso. Ahora ella también. Cosa más rica.
Presente trayendo tu leche blanca.
Sigo con café con leche.
Dame tu secreto, a ver lo que tú quieres.
Crema, es que yo solo bebo leche.
La crema presente trayendo tu leche blanca.
Sigo con café con leche.
Dame tu secreto, a ver lo que tú quieres.
Crema, es que yo solo bebo leche.
¿Cuál es tu secreto?
Yo bebo leche.
Te pones tan dura,
Yo bebo leche.
eres tan diferente.
Yo bebo leche.
¿Tú estás segura?
Yo bebo leche.
¿Cuál es tu secreto?
Yo bebo leche.
Te pones tan dura,
Yo bebo leche.
eres tan diferente.
Yo bebo leche.
¿Tú estás segura?
Yo bebo leche.
Que lo que toma esa muchacha que se ve tan diferente.
Alright guys, just in case it was not obvious, or it's not obvious to you, the guy with the white shirt, he's the birthday guy. So he's the birthday boy, turned 26, and he's just having a blast, he's having fun, drinking, enjoying himself with his girlfriend, and we're just having a blast. It was a good time. I actually had a lot of fun. It was my first time on this bus ever. So, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna do it again. And if I do it again, it will definitely be in a different condition with, you know, a different situation happening. But it was fun. I can't complain. You know, it was a Friday night here in Panama City. The scenery outside the bus was amazing. You guys are gonna get to see that too. The people were super cool, man. I actually got some really good connections from this crew, and we're definitely gonna do, you know, some other activities in the future, and maybe even some business, because actually there were some good connections that I made in this trip. So I hope you guys enjoying it, man. It was actually a good time, and the people is really cool. This drink they're drinking is actually a Colombian drink, and I never had it before, and I don't think I'm gonna have it because I don't drink, but it was good though. All right, let me correct this. I don't know if it was good because I didn't drink it, and I actually do not drink. So, I mean, by the way they were sipping on it and going crazy about it, I guess it was good. But anyways, look at this scenery, guys. This is beautiful, man. This is Panama City for you guys. I mean, the whole situation here was really cool. The ride was really cool. It was about 4 hours on this bus, playing all type of classic music, like old school music, new music. The DJ was actually, you know, doing a good job playing the music, so cannot complain on that part. And then the scenery was, it couldn't get better than that. Really good time, really good time. Okay guys, check out this move right here. This is one of my best moments of the night. This girl surprised me with this movement. I wasn't expecting this. Check this out. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah.
Una bacana, no es interesada, camina con lo suyo, a nadie le pide nada, en la disco es VIP, no paga la entrada, whisky para su mesa, hasta la madrugada. Bueno, oye ahí, ¡Dorian! ¿Qué es lo que tú dices? No me hagas eso. Es una vaina bacana. Del 2015. Tengo mi diploma, bro, con las mujeres conecto yo. Tiro 3 a gas to go, pensando en la otra, mi cerebro lo provoca. Sin arrepentimiento te hago el amor con la boca. Quiero que tú quieres más.
Sexo, sexo,
Quiero que tú quieres más.
sexo, sexo,
Quiero que tú quieres más.
sexo, sexo,
Aquí está tu sexólogo pa' bajarte ese queso. Quiero que tú quieres más.
sexo, sexo,
Quiero que tú quieres más.
sexo, sexo,
Quiero que tú quieres más.
sexo, sexo.
Aquí está tu sexólogo pa' bajarte ese queso. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Toma lo que te toca, toma lo que te toca. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Loca, 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 toma lo que te toca. Toma lo que te toca.
Yo, this girl definitely took advantage of me dancing like that. Did you see how she grabbed my ass? I didn't even notice that till now that I'm editing the video, man. That's crazy. Shit, I'm gonna have to holler shorty real quick. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have fun with that. If you ever want to come to Panama and getting into, you know, doing these party buses, just reach out to your boy. I help you as much as possible. It was a good time. And, you know, see you on the next one. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Guys, you know, we got to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So let's do it, man. We're moving. And then again, guys, I left a whole bunch of links on the description below. Make sure you check them out. I have the link for the hats, the link for the Bluetooth, man. That Bluetooth is a must. If you fly like that, if you travel like that, you need to get that Bluetooth. All right, so see you on the next one.
Lo que tú quieres más.
Sexo,